Good morning. Exposition activity 2. Deep Diamond Supermarket case. Name student Brian Calderon, DAC. 13 September 2022. Main charter of the case y main problems. Charter 1, Joaquín Pérez. Of the of-name main problems what lack recurse of the call, not some university, studied not formal contract, not social security conflict. Charter 2, Maria is fanatic of the plastic surface being is the function of the secretariat out without knock compiled with regulates non-formal contracts of social security payments the employees. Charter 3, Anna. He is 26 years old and the first 10th semester of the industrial engineering. Work pains tank and her public the work. Leading prefers to deal exclusivity money. Thank you.